The Cherrywood Podcast Wedding Day Preparations episode. All right, everyone, welcome back to the Cherrywood Podcast. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest topics couples ask us about all the time: wedding day preparations. What to do, when to do it, and how to keep everything running smoothly, especially if you're getting married here in the UK. So if you're planning your wedding right now, or you've just got engaged and don't know where to start, this one is for you. Let's get into it. When you first start planning, about 12 to 18 months out, the biggest priority is the venue. That's your anchor point. Popular UK venues, especially Saturday dates in summer, go fast, sometimes more than a year in advance. Once you've got the venue booked, everything else starts falling into place. After that, you need to book your registrar or church. If you're having a civil ceremony, make sure you contact the local registry office for the area your venue is in, not your home area. If you're having a church wedding, meet the vicar or priest early and confirm any requirements. At this stage, set your budget. Choose roughly how many guests you want and book your key suppliers: photographer, videographer, DJ or band, florist, and caterer if the venue doesn't provide one. They're the first things to disappear. Now, at 9 to 12 months before the wedding, send your save the dates. Choose your wedding party, bridesmaids, groomsmen, ushers, whoever you want by your side, and start dress and suit shopping early, because alterations in the UK can take time, especially in busy months. Sort out accommodation too. If people are travelling in, it's good to block out rooms or at least give guests a recommended list. At around 6 to 9 months before, you'll start shaping the actual day. Things like your timeline, where you'll take your photos, what time the meals are, how long the ceremony will be, and when sunset is. That one's important. Golden hour portraits are magic. Get your hair and makeup trials booked. Confirm your décor, the color scheme, the flowers, the table plan ideas, and order your invitations with the essential information in them. Then, at 3 to 6 months before, meet with your venue coordinator. Walk through the whole day: ceremony layout, photo locations, supplier access points, parking, all the little practical things that matter on the day. Start your legal paperwork, giving notice of marriage at the registry office. Do this at least 28 days before your wedding. You'd be surprised how many people forget. This is also the time to sort out your transport, do your menu tasting, confirm your drinks package, and organize any evening food. 2 to 3 months before the wedding, finalize your day timeline. This should include when each supplier arrives, your bridal prep timings, groom prep timings, ceremony entrance music, group photos, speeches, cake cutting, first dance, everything. Finish your guest list and seating plan. Write your vows, write your speeches, think about who is saying what, and get your rings sorted and sized. 1 month before the day, confirm all details with your suppliers. Send them your final timeline, parking information, venue contact numbers, and anything else they need. Make sure you've had your dress and suit fittings. Prepare a little emergency kit: plasters, sewing kit, hairpins, tissues, mints, paracetamol, lipstick. It all helps. Most suppliers ask for final payment around now too, so double-check your balances. 1 week before, pack everything you need for the day: rings, perfume, shoes, accessories, vows, speeches, overnight bag, all of it. Give the venue your final count head and label envelopes for any supplier payments or tips. Practice your ceremony entrance. Honestly, it sounds silly, but walking pace matters. You want to glide, not sprint. The day before the wedding, check your timeline again. Make sure everyone knows where they're getting ready and what time they need to be there. Lay out your clothes, charge everything, and get an early night. And maybe avoid any new skincare. Wedding day surprises are never fun. Now let's talk about the wedding morning. For the bride or partner getting hair and makeup, start early, around 45 minutes per person for hair and another 45 minutes for makeup. You should go second to last, so you're fresh but not rushed. Choose a prep room with good natural light. It makes a huge difference in your photos and your whole morning vibe. Have something to eat, drink plenty of water, and hand your phone to someone else. It's your job to relax. Your photographer and videographer normally arrive during prep, capturing the dress, shoes, rings, invitations, gifts, and candid moments. It's honestly one of the nicest, calmest parts of the day. For the groom or partner, plan for 45 minutes to get dressed. Make sure the buttonhole is pinned properly to the left lapel, have a clean space ready for photos, and arrive at the ceremony about 20 to 30 minutes early. During the ceremony, registrars run exactly on time. Make sure your entrance music is ready, you know who's walking where, and you've got your vows and readings printed. After the ceremony, enjoy your confetti moment. Some venues only allow real petals, so check that beforehand. Then you'll have your family photos, couple portraits, drinks reception, and canapés. A good timeline gives you space to enjoy it all without feeling rushed. For the wedding breakfast and evening, decide when you want your speeches, before or after the meal. Cake cutting and first dance usually fall between 7 and 8, depending on evening guests and entertainment. Then it's all about relaxing, dancing, and enjoying the night. At the end of the evening, make sure someone collects your cards and gifts, gathers your belongings, and checks out of accommodation. The rest is just soaking in the moment. And that is your full UK wedding prep guide from start to finish. Nice and simple, clear and stress-free. If you want more help planning your day, or you're looking for a photographer or videographer who knows weddings inside out, you can always reach out to us here at Cherrywood. We've filmed hundreds of weddings, and we're always happy to share advice. Thanks for listening. And as always, if you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone who's planning their wedding. Catch you in the next one.
Club Awesome, for autistic children and their families, a place where everyone belongs and fun knows no age limit.
Today's sponsors are Medici Associates, Chartered Structural and Civil Engineers.
Based in the UK with a worldwide reach.
Visit their website on demediciassociates.com.
Right at Home Medway, providers of safe and trusted quality care for adults in the comfort of their own home. Whether you need companionship, medication assistance, personal care, living care or more, we've got you covered. Visit rightathome.co.uk/medway or call them on 01634 979 000. Are you looking for a cleaning or facilities management? Clearwater Kent is your trusted local expert. From roofs and driveway cleaning to fully facilitated management, they're a fully licensed, award-winning business that you can count on. Visit clearwaterkent.co.uk or call 01634 681 885.
Need stunning video or photography for your big day or even your business? Cherrywood Production delivers award-winning results with a personal touch. From weddings to promotional content, we turn your vision into reality. Visit cherrywoodpro.com today. Your memories, our passion. Put your business in front of 30,000 new customers with the Hindsight Directory. This A5 full-colour magazine is delivered by Royal Mail to Maidstone, Gravesend, Medway and Bromley, with more areas to come. Visit hindsightdirectory.co.uk.
New Digital, helping businesses build their online presence with web design, SEO, Google Ads and social media. Get 10% off when you quote Cherrywood today. Visit their website at nudigitalera.co.uk.